y'all, so we're at church cleaning up stuff. Say hey, Grandma. Say hey, Grandma.
Leave him here so we can put him in the storage thing.
Mr. Della, say hey, Mr. Della. Say hey, y'all. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Say hey to the vlog, Ma.
Hey, huh? What? Hey, whoever.
What's the vlog?
Oh, my bad, dude.
My bad, vlog. Hey, y'all.
Vlog.
Vlog. A video log. Okay, anyways, y'all, we at church, we cleaning up. This just made me so happy. I told y'all I like cleaning supplies. A whole tote full of cleaning stuff.
When I feel like a slave.
Listen, what? Y'all, this is Naya. We're cleaning up the cafe at church. So, y'all just gonna watch us clean up and organize. Because, yeah.
She said that she didn't know like what she wanted her to do with it.
I told her to put it on the shelf in the corner.
You good here? What I would like for you to do is take note of what you need as you're packing. And give me a list.
Okay.
Make sense?
As far as
I want hot chocolate on Sunday and coffee.
Okay.
There's a whole 2 boxes.
Yeah, no. I'm telling her so she can have the waters ready.
Do y'all need water? Like jug waters?
Yes.
Okay. Because I get the one that I bought for your coffee job. Those are bigger than those.
They're all 1 gallon.
Yeah, but it seems bigger to me. So I get those. And then they have bigger ones at the gas station. 7-Eleven and Racetrack.
Are they $1?
Most of them are. Because there's different ones that have distilled water, which is the best water to use. So I get the distilled ones.
Bring it the best. Bring it the
Well,
one
distilled water
without.
is best for like hot drinks.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want distilled water ones,
You just want to touch me? You need to touchy feely stuff. That is her. That's 70% of her love language.
Mom, say hey to the vlog.
Hey, you guys.
Oh, look at our backdrop, y'all. Show them.
So I'm glad she said to do so because I'm very excited about these backdrops. Just so you know, here's the Christmas backdrop, right? And I am going to do a backdrop for every season of the year. So come New Year's, there's going to be a backdrop. Come Valentine's Day, there's going to be a backdrop. Memorial Day, 4th of July, Easter, there's going to be a backdrop every season of the year. I'm so excited. If you want to, you can come visit our backdrop. Please don't put this on no TV. I am ugly. If you want to, you can come take a picture and hashtag us at hashtag AWC Tampa. We're going to be famous for the backdrops, period. or as my kids say, Periana.
Periana. But no, Mom, so we need to put a Christmas wreath on here.
I hope you go back and edit that.
I am.
Oh, because I'm talking a whole lot of stuff. You don't like my wreath?
It's a wreath up there? I didn't see nothing. It's a wreath up there?
Let me show it to you in a minute.
Okay, y'all, so I just made it home, and guess what? I have packages. Okay, so the first one is from Savage Fenty. I don't like that my box is destroyed. That is ghetto, okay? Ghetto. It looked like somebody tried to open my box. It looked like they might have already opened my box. But it's still intact. So, oh, I love the inside. Purple is my favorite color if you guys didn't know. So let's open this. I got a cute little pamphlet thing for the VIP thing. And then this is my new stuff. It's so cute. She is it. This is the Megan Thee Stallion collab, I believe. Yes, this is the Megan Thee Stallion collab, and I'm so excited. So excited. So yeah, yes ma'am. It is called Curvy Dam Lace Crisscross Back Cheeky. I got the bra, unlined ultra demi bra in black caviar, and I got one of the bodysuits in Curvy Dam Lace Teddy black caviar with iridescent. So like it's the same set. This is just the full body one, and this is the top, the bra and the panties. So yes, your girl finna be real cute for Valentine's Day if I have a man, you know. Something light, nothing major. Woo! I'm so excited. I have a lot of Fenty stuff. I just don't show it because that's my undergarments. Like, that's too much. You don't need to know all that. Okay, next box. Next box is from Juvia's Place, which I need to buy nothing else from Juvia's Place, from makeup places, period. But you know, after a while, you have to buy stuff. Like you have to get new stuff because makeup gets old. And your girl got the Wahala 2 palette. Let's open her up and see how cute she is. I'm so excited. I think I want to do a look with this on my channel. So this is how she looks. So let's open her up. And look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. These blues and indigos and... oh, this is beautiful. It's the glitters for me though. It's definitely the glitters for me. It doesn't look like, you know, when you get those cheapy, like palettes and stuff. It doesn't look like that. So... I'm excited. I'm excited. Yes, sir. So we're gonna be doing some looks. I actually just ordered some glitter and like pigments from my friend Kenya. Follow her and purchase some stuff from her. She's a small black-owned business. Kenya has amazing color ranges as far as glitters and pigments. If you're still into those things, a lot of people have moved on from that. But there's people that still use it, and hers are reasonably priced. She's actually having a sale right now. This is me being a friend. I'm not even trying to like, this is not no promo. Like, this is all like me telling you about my friend's business. Kenya is amazing. She works hard. Her business is legit. Yeah, I'm out of breath. Them stairs. The stairs be getting me. I live on three flights. I mean, 3 flights up. Okay. So the next thing I got was foundation sticks. You guys, I have been wanting to add these to my kit for the longest. I just haven't gotten around to it. And every time I try to go, I want to catch it on sale, but she never has them on sale like that. And I got these for, I think, $6 each, which is a really, really good price. So I'm just going to name off the ones that I got. The first one is, let's see. It doesn't even say. It doesn't even say. I think these are the concealers, not the foundation sticks. My bad. It says concealer. Yeah. So I got the concealers. This is shade 8. And I actually really, really love this concealer. And I've been wanting to add them to my kit for the longest. So since I used it on myself, I got the shade 18. I think the one that I have is, I think this is concealer 4. Oh, it says it on the box. Wow, Takisa. But I'm going to show you guys the color. This is shade 4. So, like, I wanted a good range where I could, this is shade 10, where I could use it for the clientele that I get. I have shade 9 for me. So, yeah, shade 10 is just the shade above mine. So the higher the number, the lighter it gets. The lower the number, the darker it gets. And this is shade 15. I decided to get lighter colors because I do have Hispanic clientele, and I have a lot of darker skin clientele. So I decided to get what works best for me as far as my business and my clientele. And yeah, so that's all I got for today. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Family Dollar because I needed to get some stuff. I use microfiber rags to clean my dishes with. These are super easy to clean. They don't leave a stench. As you can see, like my dish rag for my sink. This is what I use to clean my dishes. This is what I use to clean my bathrooms because I can throw them in the washer and not have to worry about them stinking. Like if you wash a dish rag that you get that's a regular rag, sometimes that stench is still there even though you use like scent boosters and all that stuff, and even the heavy duty like cleaners and stuff like that you put in your wash to make stuff smell better, like it still stinks to me. And so I use these. You get 2 for $1 in the car section. Yes, in the car section. If you go to the car section, they usually have a dollar one, and then they have like the name brand ones. I get the dollar ones. They come 2 in a pack. This is from Family Dollar. So I mean, you guys, this is a steal. I told you guys that in my other I think my other video. Yeah. So another thing, you guys know I had to use my Mr. Clean and magic erasers. I told you guys about those in my last video too. And then Pine Sol because we ran out, but I got the lemon scent this time. And I actually really like how that smells, and I think I'm gonna mop my floor again because I just like how that smells. The next thing that I got were on sale items. So I got the Pantene Pro V Truly Relaxed Hair. Truly Relaxed Hair with coconut and jojoba oil. I'm gonna use this for my wigs and stuff like that. I'm not gonna use this in my hair because this is for straight hair, and that's why I picked it up, because I be tired of using my Aussie for my weave when I wash them, because yeah, that's for me. But I also bought me some stuff. Y'all, I'm so shocked that this stuff was on sale. Like, this says $7.25 for Shea Moisture. This was $5. And this is a regular size bottle. Like, this is the regular size conditioner. So I got the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner with coconut milk and Acacia Senegal. And this is a really, really good conditioner for when you like are doing your wash day, you want to leave your conditioner in all day and then wash it out later. And then I also got the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It softens and nourishes natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. So if you guys didn't know, I do have straight ends in my hair and my hair is bleached. So I will be using this on wash day. I think I'm going to do wash day tomorrow so I can show you guys what I actually do on wash day. And I'm going to show you guys what I put in my like hair mixture. So this will probably be one of the items. This was, it says $7. This was actually $5. Hold on, let me check. Let me not lie, because I saw this price ring up. But Shea Moisture, oh, this was actually $7. So I mean, it says $6 on the top in this white one, but this says $7, so they probably just honored this price. But this is a really good steal. I'm so happy I went in there because I needed new conditioner. I bought Aussie, but like that's like my regular, like just wash my hair throughout the week and just put conditioner in type conditioner. So yes ma'am, yes sir. That is pretty much everything. Oh, you guys, if you don't have Fetch, definitely get Fetch. This is me helping you guys. Like, okay, so Fetch is a rewards program where when you go shopping, you can use your receipts to get points, to get gift cards, to buy new things on their website or on the app. So I've been using Fetch. I made 3,000 points in one day from old receipts and recent receipts. I only had like 2 recent receipts, but I picked up old receipts from like 2 weeks ago. And like when I was out in Atlanta at Walmart and stuff, and like they go based off of brands. So like I have Shea Moisture on here. I have Mr. Clean on here. I have Pantene. I have Pine Sol. Like I have name brand stuff on my receipt. And so when you take a picture of your receipt, you'll get points for that towards your next reward or whatever you want to buy. So I'm going to build my points up probably up to a quick like 100,000. But once you get to like 50K, you know, 100K, the prizes and rewards get bigger and bigger and bigger. So like Amazon gift cards, stuff like that, you guys, this is a really, really good idea. This is really helpful for like college students. I know a lot of people in school still, a lot of people that are going back to school. This will help save you money. So like if you have old receipts or receipts that you can still see the words and the price on, as long as they can see what's on your receipt, take a picture of it, submit it, and get rewards. Like that's an easy way to not have to spend your own money when you get new stuff. And then you can use the rewards for, you know, gifts too. So if you wanted to get somebody a gift card, you can send them an electronic gift card and stuff. So I'm about to do that. But I'm also about to go take a shower because I had a long day. We've been cleaning the church all day because we're leasing out our Grace Hall to someone else. And yeah, we had to do a lot of stuff. So today was a very productive day as far as like church is concerned. I'm very active in my church. I'm actually a leader in my church. I sing the choir. I am the administrator's daughter. So, and I'm her oldest. So she's looking for me to be, you know, help. My baby sister is in media. My middle sister is in nursery. We do a lot at church. And so, yeah, I just wanted to come out here and show you guys what I got. I think this is probably going to be the end of the vlog. I don't think I'm doing anything else. Probably just going to finish my room and go sleep because I'm so tired. All right, y'all. I'll see you in Vlogmas day 13. Wait, is it 13? Yeah, day 13. Bye, y'all.